What's up, guys? It's day 84 and it was a Sunday, so I took the first half of the day off, but then I continued working. This seems to be a pretty good schedule for me. Take about a day and a half off per week. I think it's pretty sustainable. I continued to make progress on the new iteration of VibeScan. I created the whole plan for showing a much better in progress state so that as your scan runs, you can actually see that, it's going through my files. Here we have an agentic thing going on. Here we have the list of issues that starts to populate. It's going to be a much better experience, and it'll also allow me to resume scans instead of starting over from scratch if something crashes in the middle. So I think that's a big plus. Also, I continued to refine the action plan and it's looking really good. I'm really happy with it because users are going to be able to mark things as skipped or completed, and then I'm going to be able to verify that on a rescan. It really felt very action oriented as I was actually using it. So I'm excited to make it kind of the centerpiece of the new version. I'll show another demo in the next couple of days. But yeah, those are the two major things that I got going right now. And the final piece to VibeScan 2.0 is going to be incorporating a better rescan feature where it takes your previous scan into account so that it knows to look for the specific issues that you fixed. And that way I'm going to be able to write up a better summary and keep track of your progress. Once I have those pieces in place, I think I'm effectively ready to launch it, and then going to be finally making those other videos. Oh, and another important thing I did today was actually talk to a couple of the customers. One new customer who signed up just in the last few days, and also a customer that had actually churned and didn't renew their subscription. And what was super interesting is that it was a very productive conversation, and a lot of my intuitions were very much confirmed because this person had a project that they were excited about. They ran the scan, they found some issues, they were fixing them, but it didn't really make sense to keep having a subscription after they fixed those issues if they were only going to run a scan every once in a while. And the other thing was the launch checklist actually didn't work 100% correctly, and even though they had a terms of service and privacy policy, the scan didn't catch that and told them that they needed to add it. So it was an issue with the launch readiness, and that's exactly what I've been working on over the last 2 weeks. So it was nice to hear my direction being validated, and I explained all this, and they were actually really excited to try out this next version. So we'll see how that goes, and hopefully the product is able to show a bit more value there. And then the other user I talked to was someone that had 100% vibe coded their app and had some friends and family running it. But it's really fascinating to see that this is a real and growing part of the market where people can truly build something valuable without having a bunch of coding experience. And by using tools like VibeScan, they can also secure their code and make sure that it's high quality. All right, that's all for today. I'll see you all tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Take care.